Hello everyone, in this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create auto relief in sheet metal SolidWorks. Actually, auto relief is provided in order to avoid the deformation and the tearing of the material during the bending because of it, so that we could achieve the smooth bending, clear bending. So let's start. File, new, part, okay, this direction. This is the SolidWorks user interface. Sheet metal, go in the sketch. First we create a base flange. This one. We select the top plane, sketch. We select the background plain white and unit system is millimeter already, millimeter gram second. Firstly we will create the base flange. This one, this dimension I am taking the F120 and this dimension I am taking the 100. This one and this, and sheet metal go to base flange. This is the direction of the sheet thickness, you can reverse from here. This one, okay. Band factor, this one. Auto relief we will discuss. We will focus only the auto relief in this exercise. You can change the radius of the inside band from here. 2 mm sheet thickness and 2 mm the band radius. Inside, this radius is the inside band radius. I create the edge flange. This is the edge flange. Okay. Height of the edge flange I am taking 30 mm. Material is outside, outer virtual shaft. This one. Outer virtual shaft. This one. Outer virtual shaft means intersection point of the outer edges of this flange and this flange from this point, intersection of outer edges. From this point to up to the flange length up to this one. And this is the flange position. Outside, bend outside in this way. But I am taking inside this one. Okay. Edit flange. Edit flange. Edit flange. I am taking this one. This one. Okay. Small dimension. Small dimension. 20 mm. And this one and this 20 mm. And flange height is 30 mm. If everything is okay, you can finish here, but I am going back. Now our focus is custom relief. There are the three types of the relief: OBROUND, rectangle, tear. Okay, first I am taking the rectangle. There are the two options: use relief ratio, and if I uncheck this relief ratio, this one. This is the width of the auto relief and this is the depth of the auto relief. So suppose I am taking 1 mm width, 1 mm depth. So what is represented by, what does it represents? So I finish it. Go to the evaluate, measure this. You can see here, this is the auto relief. This portion is known as the width. I am taking this one, this is showing 1 mm showing as I have applied. Okay. And this is the depth where the band ends and this depth up to this depth. This is known as this is the depth of this thing. This is 1 mm. This is known as the auto relief. Auto relief is provided in order to avoid the tearing of the sheet and the deformation in the sheet during the bending operation. This bending, so that we could achieve the smooth bending. This is the main purpose of the auto relief. Okay. Now I provide another flange. sheet metal, sheet metal, edge flange, this one, direction. Same parameter I am taking. Edge radius is this one, angle is 90 degree. If you can reverse the direction of the flange from here, this one. You reverse. Height I am taking 30 mm, and this is the outer virtual shaft. Suppose this one. Outer virtual shaft means outer edge of the sheet and outer edge of the band. This or intersection point of outer edges from here to up to the flange, up to end of flange. This is the outer virtual means. This one metal inside. If I take this one band outside, but I am taking inside of the band. Okay. Custom edit flange. First I will edit the flange. This one. Smart dimension. 20 mm. This dimension 20 mm. Okay, if everything okay, you can finish, but I am going back. This one. Custom relief. This time I use the OBROUND. This one. This auto relief, suppose I take 2 mm width and depth I am taking suppose 1 mm. What does it represent? I okay it. Okay, so sheet evaluate, measure. This is the OBROUND. OBROUND means circular. I have taken the width 2 mm. 2 mm is, if I check the radius, you will see 1 mm radius. 1 mm radius means 2 mm, this one. 2 mm is the dia, width. 2 mm is the width. Okay. And if I take this, where the band ends, from here to up to the this is 1 mm. This I have taken 1 mm. So in this way we provide the relief. Now, suppose in this flange I change, I added the flange, this one. Suppose everything okay, I am using this time tier. Okay, this tier. Here in the tier there are the two types. One is the rip and another is the extend. I take the tip, tier, this one. Here means the relief disappears in this way. Edit flange. If I take this one extend, so in this way you will see in this type we replace this one. Taking is a rectangular. This one. And 2 mm width, 1 mm depth. I show you. Measure 2 mm width. This one. This is the depth width. 2 mm width and depth is clear. Depth is where the bands ends, and this length. This length is known as depth. This is the 1 mm. In this way you can provide. Suppose now this length. In this way, suppose I take the use relief ratio. Another option I use relief ratio. 0.5 means sheet thickness is 2 mm. If I multiply sheet thickness 2 into 0.5, 2.5 means half of the sheet thickness. Half of the sheet thickness will be the auto relief. You will see half of the sheet thickness. It means 1 mm will be width and 1 mm will be the measure, evaluate, measure. This one. 1 mm is this one. Right click and this way I check this one. 1 mm is this one. Okay, I take another example. sheet flange, edge flange. I take edge flange, one more edge flange. This one, edit flange. Twenty mm. 20 mm back. I am taking, for example, 15 mm the height of the band. Flange height is the 15 mm I am taking. Edit flange, smart dimension, 15 mm I am taking the height. This one. Back, custom relief. If I use relief ratio 1 mm, relief ratio means 1 is multiplied with the sheet thickness. So sheet thickness is 2 mm. So 2 into 1 means 2 mm. It means width will be 2 mm and depth will be 2 mm. In this way, we apply the relief ratio. Rectangle, I show you how to check it. Evaluate, measure, and this way. This is the width 2 mm. If the relief ratio is 1, this is 2 mm. This is 2 mm. Click edit and if check this one, this is 2 mm. It means 2 mm this one. This is the 2 option. In this way you can apply the auto relief in the sheet metal. This is beneficial in order to avoid the tearing and deformation in the sheet metal during the bending operation, so that the smooth bending operation can be obtained. In this way we can apply. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. You please like, share, and you please subscribe my this channel so that I could grow to a great extent. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.